Has your vehicle been caught in a recent hailstorm? Don't let hail damage lower your car's value and appearance. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc. in San Angelo, Texas, we specialize in professional auto hail repair using advanced paintless dent repair techniques. With over 30 years of experience serving San Angelo, we've helped thousands of customers restore their vehicles to pre-storm condition. Our expert process removes dents without repainting, without fillers, without bodywork, just expert craftsmanship that preserves your original factory finish. Whether you're dealing with minor dings or severe hail damage, our team has the expertise to get the job done right. We even handle insurance claims assistance, making the process hassle-free. Contact Angelo Dent Removal Inc. today for your free hail damage evaluation. Call 325-703-6149 or 325-617-4045. Visit us at 11 East 11th Street or 2315 Sherwood Way in San Angelo. Don't wait. Hail damage only gets worse. Let us restore your vehicle and make it look like the storm never happened.